Introducing Fantasy Football Slots, the next incarnation of gaming entertainment. Fantasy Football Slots were created by Louis B. Coach Paluti, who holds the exclusive, recently awarded patent to sequential, non-identical slots. In traditional slot machines, players win by obtaining a series of identical images, such as A. With Fantasy Football Slots, players win by obtaining a series of sequential, non-identical images, such as A, B, C, D. In Fantasy Football Slots, these images are real-life game actions that lead to a particular score. One condition might follow this series. The non-identical sequence begins with the first image on the far left. A quarterback throws the ball. The sequence continues in the second image, when the receiver catches the ball. In the third image, the receiver runs into the end zone. Finally, in the fourth image, the referee signals a touchdown. In a typical spin, a player may receive a mixture of maneuvers which won't lead to a score. They have an opportunity to hold certain images, then spin for their final player. For example, the quarterback sending off the ball, and a receiver catching the ball. The ball flies through the goalpost. The referee signals a touchdown. The second and fourth images are part of a sequence, so the player chooses to hold them. The player spins again. Up comes the quarterback throwing the ball and the player running into the end zone, completing the non-identical sequence series. Touchdown! Non-identical sequences work with a variety of themes. A player could win a trip to the moon, or even a familiar slot standby. Be among the innovative companies that moves quickly to learn more about non-identical sequential slots.